Hello everyone! So it is 6 days before his birthday. And add to me sa Kalula kay mag... Ako na. Add to me sa Kalula para magpakaon sa higit. Mal. Ako na yung pigis. Brum brum! Brum 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 brum!
So today we went to Lula's house to feed our pigs, and there's Dave who is getting the food right now, and while he is feeding the pig, we are relaxing with Cliff in Lula's house. So this is our pig. This is for Cliff's birthday. First we are cleaning the pig pen, and then after that we'll feed the pig. So here Cliff is just looking at the pigs, and he's really curious of what are those animals. He actually got used to them for a while because every time we feed the pig, we sometimes bring Cliff in here.
Hello everyone! So it is already evening and Cliff will drink some vitamins, some medicines. So his reaction. Cliff, what can you say? This sambal is actually bitter, so here's Cliff's reaction. Water. No. So done with the one medicine or one medicine. So we have the next medicine. Give me that, babe. Give me that. Give me that. Thank you. And it takes to shake. So shake. Baby, shake. That's it. Part 2. So this is actually how we let Cliff drink some medicine. We just do it calmly so that he will drink it. So let's see. Baby.
Wow,
That's
yummy.
no water yet. No water yet.
Wow, yummy.
Alright, with water now. With water. Here. Water. Yeah. Water. Okay. Water. This is the water. busy watching Cocomelon. So, Red Cliff. Hi, be hi. Yay! Red Cliff. Yay!
Hi sa guys, hi sa guys. Hi sa guys. Hi sa guys.
Cocomelon is real.
Ito magdagan ka, nagano naman siya ba?
Red Cliff. Nag-play ka, babe? Red Cliff. Up, up, up. Ah, duka na gyud. Duka na. Red Cliff.
Sing, 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 sing. Jump, 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 jump.
Wala ba kasi pagkakat mo dahil?
Wala.
Ah.